Good morning, dear students. Today we'll learn about partial fractions. In previous class, we learned the type 1, 2, and 3 of partial fractions. Now we will learn type 4. Let us see type 4. Type 4 is similar to type 3. There is a little difference between type 3 and 4. So the type 4 is when some of the factors of the denominator g of x are quadratic and repeating. In third type, non-repeated. Here, repeating. That is the difference. So, see the question. 2x minus 3 by x minus 1 and x square plus 1 whole square. So, x minus 1 is a linear factor and x square plus 1 is a quadratic factor, and whole power 2 means it is repeated. So that's why it is saying type 4. So here linear factor is x minus 1, so it is comes under type 1, and x square plus 1 whole power 4 whole power 2 means it is comes under type 4. So see, the process is same. For repeating factor, we have to add another fraction, that is dx plus e by x square plus 1 whole power 2. So remaining procedure is same. Take the LCM of the right side fractions and observe, or we can cancel the both sides denominators because they are same. So equate the numerators, and after simplifying we have to find a, b, c, d. So in order to find the a, b, c, d, e values, we have to compare the coefficients of like powers of x on both sides we have. So if we compare the x power 4 coefficients, we get a plus b equal to 0. Like that, we compare the x power 3, we get c minus b equals to 0. For x power 2, 2a plus b minus c plus d equals to 0. And for x minus b plus c minus d plus e equals to 2. And constants a minus c minus e equals to minus 3. So if we substitute x equals to 1 in equation 2, we get a value, that is minus 1 by 4. And if we put the a value in equation 1, we get b value. And from 2 and 3, we have c value. And from 3, 6, 7 and 5, we have d value. So substituting the values of a and c in equation 5, we get e value, that is 5 by 2. Thus we got a, b, c, d, e values and substitute these values in equation 1. So finally we get 3 fractions, that is called partial fractions. So this is the partial fractions, how the fraction becomes into a so many fractions. So overall we have 4 types. First one is a by per linear factor. If it is repeated, b by and repeated factor we write. Of course it is repeated 3 times, we write c by and that factor and power 3, like that. If the quadratic factor is there, in the numerator we write not only dx plus e. And if it is repeated, how many times it is repeated, particularly that number of fractions will be increased, and in the denominator the power also increased. So this is overall partial fractions. Very simple exercise, so you can do easily. And so here I am giving some questions, so you should try and you can simplify, you can resolve into partial fractions. Till you have any doubts, you can ask me at bodevar.ramchander@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.